Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite movies. Mr. Wolf. The bad guys to Diane Foxington, Zootopia, Mr. Snake, Aladdin, Doom, Rio, Kitty Cat, Puss in Boots, Ms. Tarantula, Spider-Man, Mr. Piranha, Inside Out, Pigtail, Sing, Mr. Shark, Finding Nemo, Professor Marmalade, Alvin and Chipmunks. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite hobbies. Mr. Wolf. Planning missions. Diane Foxington, Kickboxing, Mr. Snake, Vinyasa Yoga, Doom, Taking Drinks, Kitty Cat, Night Training, Ms. Tarantula, DJ Mixing, Mr. Piranha, Eating, Pigtail, Wrestling, Mr. Shark, Disguise Roleplay, Professor Marmalade, Collecting Awards. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite TV shows. Mr. Wolf. Tom and Jerry, Diane Foxington, Totally Spies, Mr. Snake, Garfield and Friends, Doom, Angry Birds, Kitty Cat, She-Ra, Ms. Tarantula, Cyber Chase, Mr. Piranha, The Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy, Pigtail, The Powerpuff Girls, Mr. Shark, Shark Tale, Professor Marmalade, Dexter's Laboratory. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite drinks. Mr. Wolf. Pepsi, Diane Foxington, Fanta Orange, Mr. Snake, Poppy, Doom, Prime, Kitty Cat, Monster Energy Drink, Ms. Tarantula, Dr. Pepper, Mr. Piranha, 7-Up, Pigtail, Starbucks, Mr. Shark, Diet Coke, Professor Marmalade, Root Beer. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their biggest fears. Mr. Wolf. Losing trust. Diane Foxington, her criminal past being exposed. Mr. Snake, abandonment by wolf. Doom, losing Mr. Snake, Kitty Cat, prison, Ms. Tarantula, being disconnected from internet, Mr. Piranha, being seen as weak, Pigtail, losing the team, Mr. Shark, getting caught in a mission, Professor Marmalade, staying locked forever. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite apps. Mr. Wolf. Facebook. Diane Foxington, Twitch, Mr. Snake, Snapchat, Doom, Discord, Kitty Cat, X app, Ms. Tarantula, Reddit, Mr. Piranha, Spotify, Pigtail, Instagram, Mr. Shark, YouTube, Professor Marmalade, Amazon. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite snacks. Mr. Wolf. Doritos, Diane Foxington, Tostitos, Mr. Snake, Lay's, Doom, Takis, Kitty Cat, Pringles, Ms. Tarantula, Cheetos, Mr. Piranha, Funyuns, Pigtail, Pocky, Mr. Shark, Cheez-It, Professor Marmalade, Chex Mix. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite candies. Mr. Wolf, Milky Way, Diane Foxington, Reese's, Mr. Snake, Butterfinger, Doom, Crunch Bar, Kitty Cat, Mars Candy, Ms. Tarantula, M&M's, Mr. Piranha, Sour Patch Kids, Pigtail, Laffy Taffy, Mr. Shark, Twizzlers, Professor Marmalade, Werther's. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite mobile games. Mr. Wolf. Among Us, Diane Foxington, Subway Surfers, Mr. Snake, Snake.io, Doom, PUBG Mobile, Kitty Cat, Shadow Fight 3, Ms. Tarantula, Roblox, Mr. Piranha, Plants vs. Zombies, Pigtail, Candy Crush, Mr. Shark, Hungry Shark, Professor Marmalade, Clash of Clans. Bad guys, 2 movie characters and their favorite desserts. Mr. Wolf, Chocolate Cake, Diane Foxington, Pumpkin Pie, Mr. Snake, Lemon Tart, Doom, Blueberry Muffin, Kitty Cat, Vanilla Ice Cream, Ms. Tarantula, Red Velvet Cupcakes, Mr. Piranha, Key Lime Pie, Pigtail, Strawberry Shortcake, Mr. Shark, Donuts, Professor Marmalade, Caramel Flan,